Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. I've been sent this to review, folks, and this is from a place called Krydrufi, and it is an all-in-one modular art box. So, let's have a quick look around the outside. I've popped it open just to make sure nothing's damaged as per their request. You get a storage container there to clip your wet palette paper to. You can use it as a dry palette as well. You've got some storage there. You've got some mixing areas. Oils there can be stored in there with a sealable lid. It says it keeps paints fresh for more than 60 days. And you can customize the number of modules according to your needs. On the back of the box is a good description there of all of these components. One is your water bucket there you can use. You can then have detachable paint cups. You can actually fill them with clean water and then dirty water as you're using it. You've got inserts there for brush cleaning, so you can rub your bristles against that. Cleans the paint off your brush. Number 4 is little clip-on inner brush holders that go on side the container there, keeps your brush wet in the water. You then got some outer ones here that you can air dry your brush, and any liquid on them will drip in these convenient little trays that are moulded into them. Number 6, versatile wet palette, which is there, so you can put your sponge in there. Airtight paint storage is number 7, which is these cubicles. Wet palette paper, number 8 there, goes under these little clips on the lid, so you can have your paper and your palette together. And highly moisturising sponge that is 5mm thick, folks, so that's a decent size, that is. And like I say, you can clip these on and off as you need them. I'm going to keep mine all together. And once I've finished showing you it all, I'm going to go round, I'm going to label all my little modules up as well as to what they are for my own benefit, so that I don't have to keep clipping and unclipping things to see what's in there. On the end of the box there, it shows you how they clip together there with the little side clips. 450ml of water fits in these bad boys. So it basically efficiently releases paint, keeps it wet, and it just lets you say that you could use 4 separate spaces to air dry stuff, clean, wash, storage and rinse. I'll probably use one of these as brush storage and the other one for water. So that's a quick look around the box. So let's open this up and we'll see what we got inside. Now this is the Ultra version, I do believe. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, this is the Ultra set. So you get a basic set and an Ultra set. And I think the difference with the Ultra is you get an additional storage and an additional wet palette, if I remember rightly. So let's have a quick open up and see what we've got. First thing you've got inside is this little package, and there's the actual unit itself. So we'll have a quick look, see what we've got in here. Open that up. And that is a pair of moisturising sponges there, 5mm thick. So let's open one of those. Like so. So that's the sponge. Okay. So we're going to be using that. And we've also got some wet palette paper as well there, folks. And you can order these from their website, Krydrufi.com. So I'll put the link for that in the description below. And I'll also put an Amazon link for this affiliate link so that you can click that as well, those that want to support me. Bear in mind, I do get a kickback off of Amazon for any products with an affiliate link. I do get a percentage of commission, and you guys still pay the same amount of money for the product. So that's the wet palette paper and a spare sponge. We'll keep that separate as a backup. That over there. Let's open up the wet palette paper so we can have a looky-loo at that. And you get a fair old wodge of that, as you can see. Loads in there, but there's a fair old amount in there. And again, you can replenish these as you choose. Right, let's have a looky-loo at what we've got here. Nice and solid. These are removable, folks, as you can see. So that's the modules there. And then you've got your internal and your external brush holders. So if we grab a brush, one of those and one of those. So now we can demonstrate that that holds the different brushes. So inside, that would sit inside your pot, like so. And this is if you're using these separately, and then that would be on the outside. So you can have brushes on the inside, being gripped, keeping the bristles wet inside the pot. And I'm demonstrating this because this is a triangular brush. This is an army painter. Once you've used it, you would just press it into the side there, and then any moisture on the bristles is going to collect in the little tray. I love that little idea. Again, you can use them in the holder, like so, as you're doing your work. Or you can use it on the outside, like so. But straight away, so you can see that fits over that. So you can use that like that. And then to unclip it, you just pop the little clips, like so. You can then take that off and have that on your bench as a separate unit. So that's that. You've then got these little units here. This is your wet palette. So you can unclip that again from the rest of it. Lift that off. And then that's your little wet palette. You just pop the lid off. You'd put your sponge in, like so. That becomes your wet palette with some paper over the top of it. So we'd have a sheet of that on top, like so. Moisten down, doing its thing. Use that quite freely. When you're done with it, you'd pop your lid on, job done. And then you can keep your spare wet palette paper underneath these little clips, ready for when you need to replenish it. Which I like that idea, I must admit. I really do. And again, just flip your clip up. I think they actually lift out. There you go. Happy days. So that's ready now for when you need to replenish it. So again, nice and damp under there. Job done. When you're finished, clip it locked. Nice and easy. And then that would then stack on top of these. Okay. So that's those. Let's drop the bottom one off, because there's also another little idea they've got. You've got little clips on the sides here, so you can lock these together. So you can have them in place like that. And then across the bench quite happily. Pop your lids off. You've got additional storage. Mix your oils. I'd probably put a little cardboard insert in there just to let the oils leach. And then this lid then can seal everything nice and airtight. Stops your oils drying out too much. And then obviously you can have some mixing paper on the top. I'd probably use a little sheet of parchment paper or something like that. You can get packets of mixing paper as well. So that's what they do. So you've got two of those. And then in the Ultra set, you get an additional two, which is identical to what we've just shown there. And again, you can have all four of them across the bench if you choose to. Nice and easy to use. Like I say, good strong mechanism. And as I said before, I shall label all mine up. And then you just literally click that all back together like so. Pop the top on like so. Job done. So yeah, absolutely love this, I must admit. Really looks like a good little product. I shall be using this now at the bench when I'm doing all my Warhammer painting. So keep an eye out for it. And then what I shall do is after 6 months of use, I shall come back and give another little update on this just to see how I'm getting along with it. But from what I have seen so far, this is pretty much going to be my go-to because I've got large wet palettes. This is going to replace all of the usual paraphernalia on the bench when you're painting, like your brush pot. I have a dry brush texture palette. It's going to replace that because I shall put a little 3D printed texture palette in there. But yeah, this is going to come in really handy because this little compact unit takes up barely any room, and that is going to replace that brush pot. I've got a texture palette that I use to clean me brushes off, and also going to replace that lot. So as you can see, that fills quite a large space, all of that lot. Whereas now, it's all in a nice, convenient little solution. So I'm looking forward to using this. I shall do a full review of it once I've used it for 6 months or so, and we'll see how we're getting along with it. But already I can see the potential of that. So big thanks for that. You can grab this from their website, Krydrufi.com. As I've said before, I shall leave an Amazon affiliate link under there as well if you want to support me and help me out. Bear in mind, I do earn a little commission from any referrals through Amazon Associates program. You pay the same price. I get a little percentage for the referral, so it helps keep this channel alive by doing that, folks. Like I say, I'm going to quickly label these all up so that I remember what one's what. That's just my own personal preference. So, folks, thanks for watching this. Don't forget, if you want to help me out, keep the channel alive and keep it growing, click the little Festa in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. It is free. Whilst you're there, give the bell a ring. Select all to get notified of future content. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,